Myself, Vinay Shukla. I am from Supreme Technology. I am as a service engineer in this company, and my company trading as a fiber laser cutting and laser welding, marking, and non-metal laser, and press brake, CNC and NC, shearing cutter machine, and other like sheet metal industry. We are starting from 2010 in son of, and Mr. JASWINDER JAMWAL is the director of this company, and we are trading from Mr. Okla Industrial Area, Phase 2. We are situated in Okla Industrial, and we deal up to 20 kilowatts machine, and we hear from Bangalore, Pune, and Ahmedabad, Punjab, and all over India, pan-India work from HSG dealer. We are taking many other exhibition, but MTech is the best for performance, and we lots of customer happening and with deal up. And first day of my MTech exhibition, we deal up to 7 machine, and the second day is we are responding and 51 leads and 7 to 10 machines, and third is given up to evening feedback. Okay, thank you.